Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, this is your new phonic language series, book 1. Now open at page number 53. Children, in this page we will color the correct picture with the relevant sound. This is sound A ambulance and A X. So we will do color the ambulance and AX. So children, we will do A ambulance and AX, and this sound is E. Igloo and E injection. So we will color the igloo and injection. So children, we will do the color E igloo and E injection. This is sound ill. Lady finger, a line. Lady finger, a line. So children, we will color the lady finger and a line. Cab and carrot. Cab, carrot. We will color the cab and carrot only. This is sound B. Balloon and butterfly. Balloon and butterfly. Children, we will color the balloon and butterfly. This is sound O. Ostrich or octagon. Ostrich or octagon. We will color ostrich and octagon. So children, you will complete this page at home. Children, now open at page number 54. In this page, you will create the sound E and write it. Igloo, like this, and create the sound B, like this, B, and write by yourself B, and create the sound A, and write by yourself apple. Okay children, you will complete this page like this. And now open at page number 55. In this picture, you look at the picture and trace the matching sound only. So children, which picture is this? This is an aeroplane. So what will the beginning sound of aeroplane? Yes, A. So we will trace only A. And what are these? Yes, these are insects. And what are the beginning sound of insects? Yes, E. So we will trace E only. And what is this? This is a leaf. And what is the beginning sound of leaf? Yes, L. So we will trace L only. And what is this? This is a boat. And what is the beginning sound of boat? Yes, B. Boat. So we will trace B only. And what is this? Yes, this is a camel. And what is the beginning sound of camel? Yes, K. So we will trace K only. And what is this? Yes, this is an ostrich. What is the beginning sound of an ostrich? O. So we will trace O only. Okay children, you will complete these pages at home in the guidance of your parent. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.